Today I'm going to show you how to share a Google Calendar video event step by step so you can quickly create a calendar invite with a Google Meet link and send it to the right people. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can feel a little confusing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add the meeting details, invite guests, and send everything out in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com or by opening the Google Calendar app if you already have it installed. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look for the Create button. This is usually in the top left area of the page. Click Create, then choose Event from the menu. This opens the Event Setup window where you can enter all the important details for your meeting. Now, in the Event Title field, type the name of your meeting. Make it clear and easy to recognize so anyone invited knows what the event is about right away. After that, choose the date and time for your event. This part is important because it tells everyone exactly when the meeting is happening. Double check the time, especially if you're coordinating with people in different time zones. Next, you'll want to add video conferencing to the event. Look for the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing and click it. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will automatically generate a Google Meet link for your event. This is the video call link that your guests will use to join the meeting. If you want your event to include a live video call, this step is essential. After that, find the Add Guests section. Here, you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add one person or multiple guests, depending on how many people need access to the meeting. As you enter each email address, Google Calendar will recognize it and add it to the invite list. Take your time here and make sure every guest is added correctly, because this is how they'll receive the event invitation and the Meet link. Once your title, date, time, Google Meet link, and guests are all in place, click Save. Google Calendar may ask you if you want to send invitation emails to your guests. Make sure you choose the option that sends the invite because that lets everyone know the event has been created and gives them the details they need to join. Finally, click Send to send the invitation. This is the last step and it officially shares the Google Calendar video event with your guests. They'll receive an email with the meeting details and they can add it to their own calendars and join the video call at the scheduled time. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Google Calendar video event with a Google Meet link and invited your guests. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.